So the setup that I was using today, and it's a very common setup that you'll hear me talk about a lot in most jigging applications, is a medium extra fast rod. 99% of the time, if I'm doing any sort of jigging, I'm going to be going for that medium extra fast rod. This particular one is 7 foot 1 inch. The nice thing about the longer jigging rod in a situation like this where we're dealing with pretty heavy current is that longer rod gives me the ability to make adjustments up and down to follow that contour. You don't necessarily need to be banging bottom all the time, but you need to follow that contour because the walleyes are going to be using that contour on the bottom to help block the current to make it easier to ambush their prey. So the medium extra fast 7-1 definitely gets the job done. The extra fast tip, what that does when I set the hook, it loads up very quickly into the meat of the rod. So it keeps me in great position to drive the hooks home, especially in a situation like this where we're using heavier jigs.